A service provider that offers telephone support in a form of access to information, advice, and customer service through phone calls, emails, websites, and SMSs is known as a helpline. In today's episode, we list, introduce, and briefly explain the 8 most prominent South African helplines. Welcome to a versatile canvas. CHILDLINE is a free 24/7 helpline to children and adults with concerns regarding children. It assists as a crisis line, online counseling service, training program, and advocating for adoption. CHILDLINE also works as an educational center with resources on children and teenage rights, child therapy, parenting guides, and issues affecting children, teenagers, parents, and educators. Alcoholic Anonymous is an international fellowship for people who have or have had a drinking problem. It serves as a compassionate community through offering online help, in-person meetings, sharing member stories, and hosting international conventions. TEARS is a non-profit organization that utilizes technology in aiding victims of domestic violence, sexual, and child abuse. It is a database comprised of legal, medical, medico-legal, and psychological network that assists and supports survivors of sexual assault. By using a USSD mobile interface and location tracking software, any South African with a cell phone will be able to receive a referral to the nearest help facility via SMS. NETCARE 911 is an emergency call center division within the NETCARE group. The services provided include emergency operations, road emergency, aeromedical operations, and telephonic medical information, and advice for emergency and non-emergency cases. NETCARE AKESO is another division within the NETCARE group and caters to mental health emergencies while thriving as a mental health facility. The disorders treated at AKESO include adolescent disorders, aging disorders, depression, eating disorders, bipolar mood disorders, postnatal and postpartum depression, PTSD, substance abuse, and addiction. South African Depression and Anxiety Group is a non-profit organization that serves as a support network for South Africans who live with mental health. The activities SADAG carries out include setting up outreach groups in remote areas, telephonic counseling, worldwide workshops, training programs with organizations, traditional healers, home-based care workers, clinics, hospitals, correctional facilities, schools, universities, churches, and youth groups. The website also serves as a mine of information with links to external websites and emergency lines. The free resources found on the SADAG website include multilingual infographics and material on mental health, depression, PTSD, bipolar, OCD, anxiety, trauma, sleeping disorders, schizophrenia, substance abuse, self-harm, bullying, suicide, and ADHD. LIFELINE is a 24-hour telephonic service provider that assists callers in addressing their psychological and social stresses and traumas. It also provides face-to-face services that are free of charge and are limited to 4 sessions, upon which for further intervention, you will be referred to the appropriate specialists. Their counseling services include trauma support and counseling to individuals, groups, and companies, grief, bereavement, and loss counseling, retrenchment and retirement counseling, gender-based counseling, as well as HIV and AIDS counseling, pre- and post-test counseling, and ongoing supportive counseling for people who have tested positive for HIV. MOBIEG is an IT company that works as a cost-effective instant messaging call center software and platform for online text-based counseling. It brings proximity and understanding between marginalized South Africans and organizations by developing customized products for clients and assisting them with implementation, usage, and training of those products. It then simultaneously develops products to assist organizations in providing services to clients in need of counseling, mental health education, and self-help courses. Their services are both free and paid. The free services include online counseling, online support groups, self-test quizzes, employment solutions, and educational articles on abuse, gender-based violence, career planning, cyber safety, pregnancy, mental health, eating disorders, relationships, low self-esteem, personal, legal, medical, family, and community issues, just to name a few. These are the 8 prominent South African helplines. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. If you have made it this far, thank you.